Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at a new stamps and coordinating die set called Berry Sweet from Trinity Stamps' latest release called Sweet Summer. This stamp and coordinating dies is created by Dani Studios, and you can see that this stamp set is a solid stamp that you can use to ink up and in one go press it down, and you will have a really fun and summer image to color in. Perfect for your crafting on the go. And this little 3x4 stamp set has a good price point, and it's so much fun to color in and perfect for practicing your coloring. I decided to go with watercolors because I love creating with watercolors during the summer. I like to have them outside, just sitting outside and painting, and I used my watercolor pens for this one. So super easy and really fun to create with. And I will speed this up a lot, but you will see some of the coloring process here. I'm also using my watercoloring pen here just to drag the colors out and create a highlight on my berry here. So yeah, I really like these, and strawberries are some of my favorites during the summer, so really fun image, and I love the bright and the vibrant colors that this image really makes you use. So for the coordinating die set, you can see here that you can cut out the sentiment and the strawberries, but if you do it together on the same image, I just wanted to share with you that you are sort of getting these funny lines. So it could be better to cut them separately and color them on two different pieces if you wanted to raise up the sentiment. I just wanted to point that out. And it also comes with 3 hearts that you can decorate your projects with, and it's the same hearts that the image also contains. So a really well thought through die set, as well as a really fun and sweet sentiment here on the stamp. I will now leave you with some close-ups from the design team, and if you like even more inspiration, you can also visit Trinity Stamps' Instagram account, blog and YouTube. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!